Big up Crosses TV.
I'm mad things that are going over here across this TV.
Eh? You the woman and the man there. And you who don't know that man there don't know him, you know. Who don't know that man don't know him. This is gonna go on my page over the next page. I'm gonna leave up this live. Me say, you girl, remember when me know you don't remember my page, you know. Remember when you and your friend them, after me talk about Sean Bass and you and your friend them, the whole of you decide for me lose my job. And when you put it to whole of plan up, the whole of plan up, when you send to my manager, when you send to the director, everybody. And what happened? Nothing in my uniform. Me not do nothing wrong. And God so love me. The people them said to me, say, be careful. All them know just me want. I say, be careful what you do in your uniform. That's it. But you see you, Samantha me wait for next to come because she mean when they call up the people them. Yeah. Me no me care. She mean they call up the people them. You think me forgot to know? And who shit a road me bike, who step in there. You think me forgot to know? Me know that make me page same way. Me know that make me page. You Miss Trisha. But you love man with big G, but here what happen? Pebbles are fuck Jackie. Junior Baba and Jackie left. Since even me said Junior Baba they move out long time and gone already, blah blah. You get me? So you never know say you don't make back that page. You don't make it take away over there and still make it up because you know what? Enough people well want the page to go. I want to start it, but then enough of them afraid to start a page because you know why? Enough of them love God dance go beg liquor. Juju independent as fuck, Juju not gonna go beg no liquor. You think me forget? Now you see the man that dance with the woman and then that woman dance. But yet still, you get up and go ball. I've been with you 2.5 years. 2.5 years. Jackie Buzzer just stand up and say, bitch, this is 10 years you're looking at, bitch. 10 years. Cement down 10 years. Yeah. Never know say you like a dance can make a fool of yourself. Make man drive left your dance. So me I tell you about uno girl will love cuss me. Uno love cuss me. And uno girl not even no one a car. Uno no have no one a money. Uno no independent. And uno love cuss me but uno love pretty man. Pretty man. Uno love pretty man and pretty man. Just shut up, Cam, and put on my seatbelt. Shut, damn it. Piece of shit. Sure. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Uno love pretty man, but look here, but uno want a car. Man, fit any dance me go, and me and a man attack. Me after me want a car. Me drive home when me feel like. No boy can't left me a road. No boy. No me a species can't left me a road. Juju British have our own money. Juju British have our own money, have our own place, push our own key. If a boy have a key with me, I me cut key the boy. Yeah. And when no come talk, when they do want me lose my job, when they do want me lose my job, eh? Everybody man that yes. When they do want me lose my job, but here what happen? Me never lose it. I say I Samantha aka Jungle Giant, you want to get something span, you wait. And me say you want to go full sitting, but me no want that. You get me? Yeah. Look at it. You say you're nice, nice girl. You're a nice girl, that's what you say. And you can't blood clot all a man. You can't blood clot all a man. You make man a drive pretty much, and you make man a drive left you. And when me get take up for you the last time, you go and like say I'll this me and this you, but no me a style you. No me a style you. Me a style you. How name Sam? I don't know how name Sam. Fuck Jackie X-Man Junior Baba. Nothing wrong if she a fuck if she a fuck Junior Baba is a good catch she get. Cause we see Junior Baba money there Jamaica and I want big house there. You understand me? So that good catch she get if she a fuck Junior Baba. You get me? Yeah. Now the man drive well if your blood clot. And guess who me get it from? I know none of your enemy then give me. It's not no enemy give me. No, I no enemy give me. With Samantha. Jungle Jay and Samantha. Mataran baby mother. Let me ask who they are for say for she. Is she about Junior Baba now? Oh, the blood clot this time. So that's why, alright, she about Junior Baba. She and the one that did a friend too. She and Trisha did a good friend. So that's why them sending it. I make them make up and sending this to me about Trisha because all of them in a friend. You understand me? All of them are the friend. All of them they join up and blood clot come to fight. But the Lord prepares a table before me in the presence of my enemies. Yes, I see you lot scatter. I will see you lot scatter and fight against each other. And that happen. And that happen. Jackie Buzzer have him. And Trisha don't think you can have him because Ricky, you have to have something to meet Ricky with. You have to have something to meet him with. All the Birmingham name them we are call me not even ready to call him yet. Cause that means I go up on the man. I mean I want the man name go too much. And you man me have strength for you. Hey, remember the last life me do right now I carry upon you. I'm not even do it bad for you, but in your favor. Eh? But in your favor. And what you do? See it? Not even grip you know have. Grip you know have. You can't style me. You can't come talk to me. Can't talk to me. No man can drive a left this. No man can drive. I mean, I wait for no man to come camp because I dance. I jump in my car and if I feel like leave work 3 o'clock or 2 o'clock and go home, shower, put on clothes, come and wear makeup, that's it. I'm going and dance. I can do it. But you can't do it because what? You're ball when a man left your dance and drive with the next woman. I drive with knowing that when indeed I wait up in the next. When I leave you, I mean, I fuck you forever and ever. You see, song where wet up go on? And ever leave you, and ever. Hey, somebody have to send me to you. Somebody have to send me to Elia Lexus. Me so black to you know. Come on for this, man. Come on for this. Come on for this. Me don't talk already. We don't like it. Drop asleep and now we blood clot wake up. They go with the next page, man. Yeah. This time I know me you know have to jump on now. Now have to jump on the people we are taking a man. I don't have to jump on the people, jump on the man, then we are drive well if you know. And a juju not jump on now. One friend go defend on a friend one side, one blood clot side. Leon Lexus, me no business. Me not take a cocky ton split tail back on me ears. Me never beg you fuck you, never beg me none. Me and you just like that, you just simple social media heal me for you and your friend go one side, you go farm alive and cuss me. That enough you do. Yeah. Come off of this blood clot, yeah, Juju British pages. Leon Lexus frightening, sitting the emoji of frightened Juju. Come in front of me, Leon Lexus, and then you screw up your face and thump me on my face. Yeah. I mean, I gonna left up my life too. Talk up on the next page. Yeah. You never know say you go ball over, man. Yeah, what? I go quick, bad. Yeah, what? Sean just dead. I think we just dead in that good while. And you ball, and this one of your ball, and he's still living. No self-esteem. No blood clot self-esteem. Let me tell you what you do with your pretty self, because you say you're pretty. Every time I talk, when I go on like say, me a banter, you know. Me mostly me always a talk on the woman inside more time with someone, you know. For show no right way because we not go like say, man they not style, you know. Man they must style, you know. Let me tell you something. Pick up yourself, get yourself sorted, get your visa, do some traveling. Yeah, do some traveling. You have a backup page you open them and as you reach 1,000, me lock it. Do some traveling. And I notice any time I get to the client, if I want to go to New York, I go to New York. If I want to go to I go fly, I go to if I want to go to South Carolina, I go. If I want to go Georgia, Atlanta, I go there. You understand me? That, that me I say it with them. Them come talk and jump down from my throat. One Juju British this, Juju British. Hey, you know much people there say, right, son, you're jealous because she pretty. When you're not pretty and done, so when you're pretty and have no ambition, you know, nothing to me a blood clot. When you're not coming out full package and fine. Me now go jealous, me say me happy for you. Me like her. That me I tell you. When you can't do that and come stand up. When you can't do that to blood clot and come next to me and say, yeah, jump in your car and beat me. Yeah, go to your 95 and beat me. Show your passport and beat me. Buy a ticket and go to blood clot New York and beat me. Even if you go down to Jamaica and beat me. Bamba clot now come talk and always run up in a blood clot juju. But you don't have no ambition, you don't have no self-esteem, you don't move up. Talk to me nice. Talk to me nice. When you run and see a little pretty boy, you can't hold a pretty boy. When you can't hold a pretty boy. When you no broke, you can't hold a pretty boy. Because the body was somehow do, when you take a little one little money, you have to get one pound of jar, not two pound till you blood clot week. And then nobody when nobody what happen. Still can't hold a pretty boy. Still can't hold a pretty boy. You don't have no ambition, you don't have no business plan, you don't have nothing. You still can't hold a pretty boy. One, two, no. Danger, big up. One, two, no. And what don't done, don't come at me, say Juju jealous. You know what people may look on, not fall, not talk about Juju jealous. Juju not jealous. Vanity, some certain things are vanity, but when you don't have it, it's comfortable. You're comfortable. You not even can trust a car because you don't have that even credit you don't have blood clot in our country. That even credit you don't have in our blood clot country and now come talk to me. You know, someone who there from you have 1 year visa to get when you go college, and 1 year visa after you married and get the 1 year visa, and when you get the 1 year visa the next year, indefinite leave to remain. Someone there friend in blood clot time there. And up to now you can't show nothing. Up to now you can't show nothing. Let me tell you something. The man that want no girl want no things so no look pretty no come in a dance hall or no have no put now no put two filter on it. Cause when someone no move filter, no move a blood clot, we are sitting on the have everything drop down. No belly bigger for me. No belly bigger for me. When me never, me can't do 5 sit-up. How the belly big after me one. Open a blood clot and go. We don't waste no money. Talk to me nice. When me, I talk to man, me make sure no say, yeah, me a man there. And if man, this, move up and go about your business. Me not take this man certain way. Move up and go about your business. For you this, I go. For you this, I go. At the age of 54, me can still do that. And me have man in a, not even saying I'm in back, because some of them just want to come and say, Juju kind, Juju will give me this. No feel so. We do not have nothing to bring to the table more than the flag out blood clot pussy. I see where the river come from. Don't think you're not stranger than this come give me your own friend and cook up this. Or your ex-friend them. Yes, Trisha, your ex-friend them. Where well on the plan for me lose my job. And right up me sitting them. Right up my blood clot sitting them. And put it up. Right, make on a wall it pass sitting them. And call my workplace. And do this, I do that. Go to everybody, all directors and wait there. See me at the same place I work. Let me tell you, say, God alone I pray to. I want to do. If you don't know, I go out there, man. If you don't know, I walk and look, man. I try to tie blood clot, man. Oh, fuck blood clot that. What you do? You just go through like a real gangster, because I am a gangster. Me not keep friend. When you look on the pretty girl crew. And none of the pretty girl crew can hold a man. Jenko Jay and Samantha, big up yourself still if you get Junior Baba. A good man you get. Good blood clot man you get. You understand me? Man we have asset you get. Man we have asset you get. You and a look up your man you get. Although me not like you. And you lead the gang when they there try make it lose my job. But me there wait for you to see something you see. Thank you, A-Star. Psalms 35 pan them. Let me tell you something. A white man if you look for me and tell me say be careful of those people. The Caucasian man, I want to don't talk about say white this and white that. Me always tell them say me not hate white people, you know. Me always tell them say white people always help me no matter what. White people ever help me. Crash my car already. And they are well drunk. Call a black man to help me. It was before there. I don't have no time. Two white, old, some white swan. And you know me not even if I dopey. But then come out of the house in the nightgown and come help me push off the car. Push off the car away. The car is stuck in her. That's why nobody can tell me nothing about color. Nobody can tell me nothing about white people. So if I never help her, let me tell you something. I say, I know who shit a road member, it a who step in that blood clot. The whole of them are the crew. The whole of them. You understand me? The whole of them. So me not business with nobody. No business if a man want this or not. I'll be laughing. But get yourself some ambition. No man never drive when a blood clot car and let me a dance. Juju British have our own things. I drive in a mini convertible girl. 2019 plate. Trust me, trust it. Yeah. These things are vanity. If it burn up tomorrow, still just the next one because I have credit. Well, blood clot or well up on all of those. Huh? Fuck friend, man. Fuck friend, fuck friend. Someone stay and they don't contact me. I'm sending on one of their secret. Yes, Junior Baba and Jackie left. Oh, that just I hear you. You're late. You left. Yes, a Junior Baba move out. Yeah, he move out. I must a jacket throw him out. I don't know it go. One or the two. A Jackie move on and have the man I wet her up. But I leave you. I'll be a fucker forever and ever. I think come on. That was 2.5 years a day. 2.5 years. This is jacket, bitch. It's 10 years. This is 10 years. This is 10 years. 10 blood clot years. Leon Nexus me have a bone to pick with blood clot you when me see you. Why you come at me? Leon Nexus, you are the next one. Why you blood clot come at me? Why you come at Juju? Cause you so blood clot bad. You defend your friend. My friend will come defend me from you, yeah? Mr. Leon Nexus, my friend will come and defend me from you. So you blood clot come at me. I wrong blood clot tree I go climb up on. You Leon Nexus, I wrong blood clot tree I climb up on. So you hear woman argument and you running night? A man a go blood clot run up on you. Low blood clot Jojo British, you hear? Don't fucking jump on Jojo British. You hear? A wrong blood clot British you jump on. This is not when I British get the good on and get dip. Cause everybody when you're British always I get dip, you know. Wrong bumbo clot when you jump on. Don't come near Jojo. You're mad. My friend will come and deal with you. Yeah, my friend will come and deal with you. Your blood clot self I come talk about. Come off of my top call my friend name. Who is you? Come and defend it. Come and defend it. That if you do. Blood clot, I'm sure I say it more than one time so you can't hear. You will get the message. Come to CR7 blood. Or you come South London, it's not a problem. You want me, you come and page me. So I'll see you soon. Yeah, me see you soon. I'm not take joke to what is joke to our next man is death to our next person, you know, mama. What is joke to them is death to our next person, you know. I don't know. You understand me? So if you feel like we come in a woman argument, mas a man him come in a one I know him a fuck none of the man him come in a hate, him come in here for. If some man fi come off a blood clot social media and mix up page. Some man need to come off a bomb clot social media and mix up page. If them have a page and come and public, they must come and listen. Some blood clot, big pussy man fi come off a social media. Love blood clot jumping a woman mix up and love it, jumping a woman argument. You don't take nothing for joke. 2023 I go 2024. One time when you have done, people could have talked. So nowadays people don't have blood clot done. Everybody have their own done. Everybody have their own fire stick. That me I tell you now. Yeah man. Boy out harder. Gyal, remember what you do? I be laughing. Call down the Sam spawn. When I try it. I see it. Come see. We never see it take a plane go yet. They are wait for when you go and I found me wait for when I go on the plane. Yeah man chat more than woman these days enough for them. You need to come off of my blood clot life. I want him back on my page. I mix up pages to see if it come off. My DJ, go and go play a sound and go promote and dance. Come off a mix up page. I think video. Yeah. So The things I'm put up over on the next page. Yeah, it's sitting there when me get the clip them when me get. When Jackie Buzzer get her wet up, it put up on the next page. And the song we are playing. Yeah, baby, leave me. And forever and ever. Yo, me I run go back panda sitting there, but I drive that sitting there so. What? Big up what's that? Me nah look pan them, you know. Me nah look pan them. You don't care where somebody girl say me nah look pan no. And they can't look for me either because them can't look my way. Yeah. Make man a drive left here dance. Any girl nowadays make man a drive left them a dance not ready. Not ready. Not ready. First of all, you're supposed to have your get back money. Always have your get back money. The amount of time I hold long you do with a man, I have nothing to do with nothing. 2.5 years, I don't fuck you. My eye don't fuck you. But the man Jackie I do it now. Cause Jackie left Junior Baba. Junior Baba left Jackie 1 out of 2. This is dancehall couples thing, you know. So if you know no couples thing, nobody come go and like you don't want to come in and argument neither. And after him and him left now, see me just get to see him and Samantha there. Yeah. But me say that's why me get the soup. That's why me get the mix. Cause all only that friend I did just mash up. Trisha Samantha and the whole only that friend and it just mash up just so. Me say from me see person call me, you know, and tell me about it. So I say, eh? And then me put 2 and 2 plus 2 and 2. You know, me say blood clot. Do you know they say that come from? And they say that come from? And you want a friend them sending you know me, you make con give me. You want a friend them. You and them what did that plan up against me? And them sending the make con give me. Nobody think you have no friend out there. You don't have no friend out there. And them send it con give me. Yeah. You not trust nobody. Me not trust no blood clot body. That me I tell you now. No, me never know that, you know. Because, you know, when you have some people not really, you know, I look upon them, story not coming, me not hear now. Because me not go dance, and me not really, if me not talk, me just blank you. Me not remember you none at all. Me not go ask somebody, they not want she there, want that man there. If me is that, me just a talk. That's how me stay. If someone not call a name, me not want to look upon it. But as sweet this blood clot thing, me I say.